Muslims consider ZamZam water sacred as it was found as a result of a miracle. According to Islam, the well of ZamZam was generated by Allah and sprang spontaneously thousands of years ago when Ibrahim's son Ismail was left with his mother Hajar in the desert, thirsty and crying. And with the advancement of science, it has been revealed that the water does have some extraordinary and unusual characteristics. How's it going, guys? My name is Leroy Kenton and you're watching FTD Facts. For this episode, we're going to be looking at 10 surprising facts about ZamZam water. Now, there's going to be a whole lot of big scientific words coming up, so I'm warning you from now. Put on your science caps. Let's go. Starting at fact number 10. No bacterial contamination. Research has shown that the water is pathogen-free. 3 samples of ZamZam from al-Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina were collected and centrifuged. A drop of this water was immediately placed on a CLED agar plate and incubated at 37 degrees for 48 hours, but no bacterial growth was observed in the samples. For number 9, the consumption of ZamZam water can actually reduce serum uric acid levels in the blood. It is possible due to the alkaline nature of ZamZam water, which alkalizes the urine and helps to excrete uric acid from your body. The University of Heidelberg states that the decreasing ability of ZamZam water can be used in future for treatment of gout. For fact number 8, did you know that ZamZam water reduces cholesterol? People who drink ZamZam water excessively have exhibited a significant decrease in serum cholesterol as well as triglyceride in 3 readings and samples taken during the 3-month study. The research concluded that drinking ZamZam water for 10 weeks reduces fasting blood sugar, serum insulin, and insulin resistance. Also, one thing to note, ZamZam water does not affect the lipid profile, the redox homeostasis, or the body composition. For fact number 7, ZamZam water also has antifungal effects. A lot of people are completely unaware of this, but it's actually very healing. The University of KATSINA in Nigeria conducted research in which ZamZam water was reported to have weak antifungal effects to the same breakpoint as some other antifungals. Also, there is no biological growth in ZamZam water. According to the Journal of Pure and Applied Microbiology, there was no growth found in the samples. ZamZam's well is probably around 4,000 years old. That's like the most accurate estimates that are given out there. And despite its age, ZamZam, well, it doesn't contain biological growth such as algal blooms or fungal particles, which is a completely unique property for the water. Now for number 5, it's full of beneficial minerals. Research conducted by King Abdulaziz City for Science and Technology revealed one more scientific fact about the ZamZam holy water. 4 essential minerals, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, are found in ZamZam water. And other than this, there are 7 other minerals found in ZamZam water, including vanadium, manganese, iron, cobalt, copper, zinc, and finally molybdenum, all of which are present in ZamZam water. Now moving on to fact number 4, it also helps to prevent tumors. When compared to chemotherapeutic agents alone treated in drinking water, treatment with ZamZam water significantly reduced the effect of chemotherapeutic agents on decreasing cell viability and inducing apoptosis in all cancer cell lines. According to Advanced Science Letters Volume 23, ZamZam exerts a huge range of therapeutic and pharmacological properties like antioxidant, anti-tumor, antidepressant, all those various different agents. Significant withdrawal of symptoms was seen in co-treatment using medicine and ZamZam water. There were reduced symptoms of body loss as well as rare standing and sniffing. And at the number 3 spot, did you know that ZamZam water also helps the reproductive systems? Well, in the endometrium, ZamZam water increases the expression of gap junctional intercellular messages as well as connexin 43 antibodies. Because of its high fluoride content, ZamZam stimulates the development of implantation windows via the stimulation of aquaporins, contributing to its strong antimicrobial action. As well as ZamZam water acts as an antioxidant by stimulating endometrial nitric oxide production. Whole lot of scientific fancy words there, but all in all, ZamZam water is helpful. But we got 2 facts left. At number 2, the purity of the water. Let's take a look at that. It is said that even after passing it through several chemicals and attempting to change its composition, the quality and purity of ZamZam water cannot be altered so far. The purity of ZamZam water is not only extremely beneficial to human bodies, but also it's considered to literally be a miracle. Now, in at the number 1 spot, we got a little bit more information to look at when it comes to the composition of ZamZam water. ZamZam water contains 34 known elements with higher concentrations of calcium, magnesium, sodium, and chloride than natural water. Hydrochemical analysis of ZamZam water revealed that it is sodium chloride water of meteoric origins. That's very eye-opening. And another surprising thing was that the amount of 4 harmful elements, arsenic, cadmium, lead, and selenium, all found in the ZamZam water, was below the risk level for human drinking, which means that despite having what are normally considered harmful elements in the water, ZamZam water is actually safe to drink. The high calcium levels in ZamZam water also make it suitable for human consumption. So there you have it, guys. This was a look at 10 surprising facts about ZamZam water according to Islam, according to science. Yeah, very fascinating. I was so interested and mind blown from this episode and doing research about this, but I'm curious to know your thoughts. What are your thoughts about anything shared in this episode? Sound off down below. If you did enjoy this one, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Thanks for hanging out with me in another episode, guys. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you soon.